Is your outdated car wash equipment costing you money? Whilst the cost of upgrading your car wash equipment may seem expensive, the cost of maintaining old machines can actually cost you more in the long term. Not only does old equipment require more ongoing maintenance, but breakdowns can lead to expensive losses in productivity, reduced income, and unhappy customers. Undoubtedly, new vehicle equipment is more cost-effective and efficient to run. The machines use less chemicals and require less water, and advanced water recycling techniques are now commonplace. Old car wash equipment simply can't compete with the built-in efficiency and conservation practices of new technology. Whilst purchasing new equipment is an investment upfront, it pays off over time by reducing operating and maintenance costs, increasing productivity, and, importantly, greater customer satisfaction. For a detailed cost analysis of old versus new equipment, contact our expert team. We can work with you to find the most cost-effective solution. Goodsite Australia, leading suppliers and installers of vehicle wash equipment. Visit goodsite.com.au.